If you're using Davinci Resolve and you're trying to do an audio fade out, here's how you can do that. There is no add-on I can find in the effects area that will let you do it, so you're just going to have to do it using keyframes. So we're going to start by expanding so we can see the wave. Now I'm just going to break this up just for the sake of demonstration. So we're just going to break it. Let's break it here. So we'll cut this. And now I want to fade out this section over here. What we're going to do is we're going to hold the Alt key and we're going to press. It's going to launch a keyframe. Going to press again over here. Now we have 2 keyframes. Inside, in between these 2 keyframes, you're going to be able to adjust based on where you drag. So you can see here, as I drag this keyframe down, it's going to do the fade out. But if I want to say do a fade in, I would grab this keyframe. And there we go. And then we would just drag this one up. And if you need to change the timing, you can always slide the keyframe as you need. But there you go. That is how you do an audio fade in or a fade out using Davinci Resolve. And I was using the Farlight for this, but you can actually just do this in the edit panel too. Farlight just makes it easier. Subscribe now.